Are you tired or struggling from lack of energy? Well, it may be because of what you're drinking. Hey, I'm Jason Cheney, and that's what we're going to dig into today. So, this is really funny because back in the day, I used to drink tons of caffeinated energy drinks like Monster, Red Bull, things like that. And one of the things I realized was I was always looking for more energy, so I was just picking up another can, and my energy was just never sustaining. In fact, it wasn't sustaining. It wasn't able to sustain my weight. I kept gaining weight, and I became just very lethargic and just very, very, just for lack of better words, lazy in my opinion. And what I mean by that is because I was struggling for energy. I was begging for it, and I just didn't know what to do. And I thought that there was something wrong with me. And so after I went on a journey, I left the United States and started to change my whole lifestyle, what I eat, what I drink. I started to understand one thing. Hold up. I'm drinking all of these energy drinks for energy, but I'm not drinking what I actually need for my body, and that was water. So I wasn't drinking water each and every day. In fact, I probably was getting less than a cup to 2 cups in a day because I was drinking so many energy drinks to get all of my just 'cause I was suffering from energy for lack of for low energy. And so when I started switching, cutting off the energy drinks and going to just water, I noticed that my energy was just skyrocketing. So that's the caffeinated energy drinks, the sodas. All of these things are just full of empty calories. And here's just a pro tip for you. Even if it says 0 calories, that doesn't mean there's no calories in it. All that mean is it's in the threshold to where they can legally put zero on the label. So that is really crazy. Don't be confused with marketing to what's going to and mixed up with marketing from what's going to actually take care of your health. I was in that rat race for a long time of listening to all the marketing, and I was doing so much harm to my body. Like I was taking stuff like Xenadrin. I was drinking all of these weird drinks that they were giving me. All of this shit that didn't do nothing to help me out, and all I was doing was still gaining weight until I actually stopped listening to all that marketing and started to actually realize what does it mean to be healthy. Make sure you're getting your water in because it's very important. It's way more than just hydration. It has a lot to do with losing weight and just having a healthy body. So I hope that was helpful for you.